Hi guys, today let's see how to run Android apps on Windows. By the end of the video, you will learn how to install mobile apps and games on Windows. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is download the BlueStacks software. This software helps to run Android games and apps on Windows. Go to download BlueStacks. Search for BlueStacks in your browser and click on the first link. Now you will be directed to the BlueStacks page. BlueStacks 5 is the latest version. Okay, now let's download BlueStacks 5. Once BlueStacks is downloaded, click Install. Yes, now BlueStacks is installed. This is the menu page of BlueStacks. If you want to install any apps or games, you must sign into your Play Store account. Click on System Apps, select Play Store, and click Sign In. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Yes, now we have successfully signed into the Play Store. Now, install any apps and games you want. I'll install Free Fire. Once installed, go back to your home page. Now you can see your game on the home screen. Just open it and play your favorite game. That's it, guys. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.